Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and after 60, it starts speaking a secret language. Those new spots, sudden bruises or itchy patches aren't just signs of getting older. They are actually red alerts from your heart, liver, and kidneys sent directly to your surface. Ignoring these 6 specific changes could mean missing a vital warning sign about your internal health. In this video, I will decode these 6 dangerous skin changes and show you exactly how to fix the root cause naturally. Stay tuned, because the last one is a change that most people ignore until it is too late. The first critical change to watch for is paper-thin bruising, often called senile purpura. If you notice large, purple splotches on your arms or legs without hitting anything, your body is sending a message. The Mayo Clinic explains that this happens when the walls of your blood vessels become too fragile to hold pressure. While aging is a factor, frequent bruising can sometimes signal a lack of vitamin C or even issues with blood clotting. To strengthen these leaky vessels, you must load up on bioflavonoids found in citrus fruits and bell peppers. Think of these nutrients as the internal cement that reinforces your vascular system. The second warning sign is the yellow tint, also known as jaundice, which often starts very subtly on the skin or the whites of the eyes. According to the Cleveland Clinic, this yellowing is a buildup of bilirubin, which means your liver or gallbladder needs urgent attention. You can support your liver's natural detox process by consuming cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower daily. Adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to your morning water acts as a gentle flush for your internal filters. For those over 60, a daily brisk walk for 20 minutes is also essential to keep the bile moving and your liver active. Never dismiss a change in your skin's undertone, as it is often the first clue to an internal blockage. By feeding your body liver-loving foods and staying mobile, you'll help your skin regain its healthy, natural hue. The third sign you must never ignore is persistent itching, even when there is no visible rash. Dermatology experts at Johns Hopkins Medicine warn that chronic itchiness in seniors can be a symptom of underlying kidney issues. When the kidneys aren't filtering waste properly, toxins build up in the blood and irritate the skin from the inside. To support your kidney health, focus on hydration heroes like cucumbers and watermelon. These water-rich foods help flush out toxins naturally without putting extra strain on your system. The fourth warning sign is the butterfly rash, or unexplained red patches across the nose and cheeks. While it might look like a simple sunburn, researchers at the Lupus Foundation of America note it can indicate systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent enemy of aging, but you can fight it with omega-3 rich foods. Walnuts, chia seeds, and fatty fish like salmon are incredible inflammation fighters for your skin and joints. Regular low-impact exercise, like swimming or yoga, also helps lower your body's inflammatory markers. By moving your body and eating anti-inflammatory fats, you soothe the redness from the source. Don't just reach for a steroid cream, reach for the foods that heal your cells. Listening to these red alerts now can prevent much larger health complications down the road. The fifth sign is slow-healing sores or cuts that take weeks to disappear. The American Diabetes Association warns that slow healing is a major red flag for high blood sugar or poor circulation. When your glucose levels are high, your skin loses its ability to repair itself and fight off simple infections. To manage your blood sugar naturally, prioritize fiber-rich vegetables like spinach and bitter melon. A simple supplement like Ceylon cinnamon can also help improve your body's insulin sensitivity. The sixth and final change is velvety, dark patches, usually found around the neck or armpits. Medical experts call this acanthosis, and it is a clear visual sign of insulin resistance. This isn't just a skin pigment issue, it is your body's way of saying your metabolism is struggling. To reverse this, combine a low-sugar diet with short bursts of resistance training like lifting light weights or using bands. Building even a small amount of muscle helps your body process sugar more efficiently, clearing your skin in the process. Focusing on zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds also supports the skin's structural integrity and healing speed. Your skin is a living map of your internal health. Mark tells a story about what's happening inside. By catching these 6 signs early and adjusting your lifestyle, you are not just saving your skin. You are protecting your life. Thank you for joining me on the Wellness Path podcast today. Your skin is your body's most honest messenger. Please don't ignore what it is trying to tell you. If you noticed any of these 6 changes, consult with your doctor, but also start supporting your body with the natural protocols we discussed. If you found this information vital, please and share it with someone you care about. Subscribe to our channel to join a community dedicated to aging with strength, health, and vitality. I want to hear from you. Have you noticed any of these skin changes lately? Let's talk about it in the comments below. For more tips on senior health, check out my video on strengthening weak muscles. Stay observant, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next episode.